Whose world is this? Me and my kicks. Me and my kicks. Me and my kicks.
What is going on, YouTube? It's your favorite YouTuber, Me and My Kicks, and this is a first in Me and My Kicks history. I'm going to do an unboxing on the channel. So big I had to prop it up on 2 chairs. Over $1,000 worth of shoes in this box. So go ahead and enjoy this experience with me. Coming up. All right. You know, to be fair, I did take the tape off the box. I didn't want to, you know, have that loud sound going on in the mic or whatever. So, you know, it's already unboxed. You know, I kind of cheated, I ain't gonna lie. But as always, man, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Comment down below what's the best colorway, what's the best shoe you've seen in this video. And lastly, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit the subscribe button. It takes nothing but a couple of seconds and you'll be notified when I drop future videos. Just, you know, quick oversight before I open this first box. I got these from SunikaSneakers.com. They released today. Obviously, you probably know what it already is because I'm going to put it in the description and also the title so you know, people can find it when they search. But anyways, you know, first shoe coming up is let me get the right shoe. And we have the Adidas UltraBoost 1.0 Sun Devils Arizona State University edition. As you can see, it got ASU on one tongue, and then it got the Sun Devil pitchfork on the left one. And if you want to switch it up, because if you're not a person that goes to ASU, they also gave you like 2 Velcro tabs that you could put on there, because this is Velcro, you can't pull this off. So if you want to, you can just take this completely off and not have anything on there. But got an all 1.0 yellow upper, like golden yellow. Then it got the maroon hits right here on the back. It got Ultra Boost in that maroon as well. And then as far as the midsole, got a yellow midsole and you got a black outsole. Overall, these definitely go hard, definitely pop off the foot. And if you are, you know, if you ever went to Arizona State University, you definitely got to pick up a pair of these shoes because, you know, it's just right. Like I personally went to NIU, Northern Illinois University, and they are an Adidas school. I wish Adidas would, you know, jump out that box and give us our own UltraBoost 1.0, but that'll never happen in years. But anyways, they had a couple of player exclusive 1.0s. I'll put a couple pictures of them to the side of me, and those never released to the public. This is the first version or rendition of a Arizona State University shoe being released out to the public. So shout outs to Adidas for that. And these is definitely on point. Like these definitely pop off the foot, as I said already. And you know, these definitely go hard. Also on the insole is all yellow and it says forks up, like painted in maroon. I'm guessing that's the ASU slogan or whatever. So that's pretty nice. But you know, first shoe up at this box is the ASU Sun Devil 1.0s. All right, next up, coming out the box. Let me go ahead and close that top right there. All right, let me get the right shoe. First up, or next up, we got the Adidas UltraBoost 1.0 Indiana Hoosiers edition. I got that Hoosier logo right there. And on the left tongue, that's what you got. So that's pretty decent. As you know, the colors is like crimson and cream or red and cream. So if you are a Kappa, these should definitely be in your collection, because also Kappa Alpha Psi was founded at University of Indiana. But if you don't want the branding, the Indiana branding, they also got the Adidas in like a cream and red. On the insole, it says Never Daunted. It's like the insole is cream and it says Never Daunted painted in red. But just overall, got a cream upper 1.0, got the red hits right there. And it says Ultra Boost painted in red back there. That's a pretty nice touch. Got that cream midsole and that all white outsole. So just overall, definitely a great shoe. Get a nice little up close look of it. You know, these definitely go hard. I like the colorway. This pops off the foot. This is the first Indiana Hoosiers Adidas shoe that released to the public, in my opinion. I don't think any other versions came out, so this is definitely nice. Once again, as you know, the Ultra Boost being like a cream color, you definitely want to watch out. You know, when you wear this shoe, you definitely don't want to wear this in the rain or in the elements, because this will get dirty fast. But this is definitely a great shoe. So second shoe out the box is the Indiana Hoosiers 1.0. All right, next up coming out the box, got the Texas A&M UltraBoost 1.0 edition. And these are definitely clean. I like this maroon / burgundy upper. You got the white Adidas hits, and on the back you got UltraBoost in like a gold. So I'm guessing the third color is gold. I never knew that. I thought it was just maroon and white. And on the Adidas logo, this has also got the gold hit. So on the tongue, you got the Aggie hand signal. It says gig 'em. That's pretty decent. And on the other side, it says Texas A&M. These are definitely clean, definitely sleepers. So overall, these I like this color. It doesn't necessarily pop, but once again, you know, it's a maroon shoe. As far as like the player edition that came out when the 1.0s was like really popping, those was decent as well. I put a picture of it to the side of me so you can see what I'm talking about. But those was on point. I really like the player editions that came out a couple of years ago. This is the first, if I'm not mistaken, this is the first retail release of a Texas A&M Adidas shoe to the public. So shout out to Adidas for hooking us up with it. On the insole, it's all white and it says gig 'em in maroon, so that's a decent touch. So second shoe out the box is the Texas A&M Adidas UltraBoost 1.0. All right, third shoe coming out of the box. All right, these are definitely clean. Got the Louisville Cardinals Adidas UltraBoost 1.0 edition. Get the right shoe. As you can see, you got that black, all black 1.0 upper. Got the red hits right here, and on the back with the UltraBoost is red right there. And for some reason, they got the Adidas patch on here, but right here is the Louisville sign right there patch. And on the left shoe, it got the Louisville L on there. So that's what that looked like. On the insole of the shoe, it's all black and it says LIC4 painted in red. I don't know what that means. If you are a Louisville alumni or student, please comment down below and let me know what that means. But just overall, this is definitely like, this doesn't pop off the foot, but this is definitely a clean shoe. You got that 1.0 upper and it's just all black with the red hits. Like, you know, even if you didn't go to Louisville, if you just like UltraBoost, these really pop. Cause like, once again, you got the black with the red and these really go hard. And yeah, I'm definitely liking these. So as far as retail releases of the Louisville shoe, I want to say they gave us a 3.0 version of this. I'll put a picture to the side of me so you can see what I'm talking about. But this isn't the first retail shoe from the college to release to the public. But this is the first 1.0 version of it. So I'm definitely glad that Adidas hooked us up with these shoes. But what's that? Fourth shoe out the box, University of Louisville Adidas UltraBoost 1.0s. All right, heading in the box again. Got another shoe. Pulling that out. Oh yeah, these definitely cold. Got the Miami Hurricanes Adidas UltraBoost 1.0 edition. Now, I want to say when the Adidas UltraBoost 1.0s first came out, they had a 1.0 player exclusive with like green in it. Those was cold. Those was reselling for like crazy. I don't know if these are going to resell as crazy as those, but these are definitely, you know, flames. Got the 1.0 upper, all orange prime knit. Then you got the white hits right there. And you got that UltraBoost and green. And then as far as the logo, you got that you know, the Hurricane logo, and then you got the U right there on the patch. That's pretty decent. Just for this, like, this is definitely a must cop because of these logos right here. And then they also give you the Adidas in, you know, orange with the green. On the insole, it's all white and it says it's all about the U. So that's, you know, pretty decent. As far as the midsole goes, got that orange midsole and the white outsole. But just overall, these is definitely clean. Loving these patches right here. And these definitely pop off the foot. You know, if you go to Miami or if you're part of Miami or you love the U, you definitely got to get a pair of these to match your jerseys because it is pretty hard to get gear that matches the Miami Hurricanes jersey perfectly, and these do it. I want to say we've gotten a Miami Hurricanes Adidas UltraBoost retail release to the public. If I find it, I'll put a picture of it to the side of me. But this is the first Adidas UltraBoost 1.0 Miami Hurricanes release that they released to the public. So shout out to you guys for doing that. Fifth shoe out the box is the U UltraBoost 1.0s. All right, and once again, if I pull this last shoe, it looks like out the box, I got these from Sunika Sneakers. These released today, but I hit them up personally and I asked them, hey, are y'all selling these shoes early? And they said yeah, so I paid for them. They shipped it. I want to say they shipped it out Wednesday, and I got these yesterday on Thursday, but I did not have time to record, so I'm going on ahead to go. So I went on ahead and tried to drop this on the day of the release. But they're located in Ohio, great people. So if these do sell out on the Adidas website, which I don't think will happen, you can go to Sunika Sneakers and hit them up and see if they got your size. But next up, last shoe is the Washington Huskies UltraBoost 1.0s. Now we have gotten a 1.0 release, like retail to the public. It was a somewhat limited release. The main difference is the midsole is white, and as far as like the gold, I want to say it had a little bit more gold hits on it and a little bit more white incorporated in the shoe. I'll put a picture of it to the side of me so you can see what I'm talking about. But those are cold. I still need those, but these will suffice. I like the purple on these. Got that purple and gold, got that 1.0 upper, purple stripes, and then on the back it got UltraBoost right there in gold. And as you can see on the tongue, you got Purple Rain right there. Then you got the Washington Huskies logo, and then as you can see, they got the interchangeable Adidas purple and gold logo. So if you don't want to rep the school, you can just tear these off and put these on there. So if you are a member of Q Psi Phi, Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated, and you want to get your hop on, but don't necessarily want your knees to be hurting afterwards, and you want that comfort, definitely get you a pair of these shoes, because these, as you guys know, since it has the Adidas UltraBoost Comfort, it is one of the most comfortable shoes in the world. I stand by that. But as you see, you got the purple midsole and you got the white outsole. These is definitely decent. I wish they would have did for the ones that got the white outsole. If they'd have did it in like the secondary color, like if this was gold, these would go crazy. But Adidas won't give us anything like that. But just overall, definitely a great shoe. Like the colorway on it, definitely pops. And the last shoe out of this box is the Adidas UltraBoost Washington Huskies 1.0s. Before I forget, the insole is gold, and it says UW in there, painted in purple. All right, that is all of the shoes that came out of that box. It was a total of 6. Now, out of the entire NCAA pack is 8 shoes. The 2 shoes I'm missing is the Kansas Jayhawks and the Nebraska Cornhusker edition. They were pretty decent. Like the Kansas Jayhawks got a 1.0 blue upper, and the Nebraska got a 1.0 red upper. Those are decent, but unfortunately he didn't have them in stock. He only got these shoes early. He's going to be getting those other 2. He said next Monday. I passed on those 2 because I already have a 1.0 UltraBoost that got a red upper, and then I also have a Royal UltraBoost with a 1.0 upper. So I passed on those 2 and got the rest of these. But as far as if I wanted to rank these shoes in a certain order, I'd probably go the Louisville Cardinal one. That's number 1. Then I got to go to Aggies. I like those. That maroon really popped. So that's number 2. The number 3 is the Hoosiers. I like that cream with the red. Then you got the Hurricanes, that orange with that green. That definitely pops. Then the Sun Devils. That's number 5. And then last but not least, the Huskies. All of them is definitely on point. That's why I added them to the collection. And I appreciate Adidas for giving us the ability to grab these shoes at retail. As far as like resale and stuff like that, I don't think that these will go too hard, because once again, even though Boost is the most comfortable technology in the world, Boost is dead. Like most Boosts don't really sell out like that because it's just not really any hype on these. Now, if these came out in 6 years ago, like 2014, 2015, man, I wouldn't even been able to do this type of video today. They would have been resold and on StockX for the highest, like $300, $400, because once again, there was a certain time in which all UltraBoost was just crazy selling out, especially the 1.0s. It's just crazy how times change. But anyways, each shoe retails at $180. So, 6 shoes at $180 is over okay. Luckily, when I paid, he didn't charge me any tax, nor he charged me no shipping. So I paid $180 straight out, and and to get that tax free on these shoes is definitely decent. So once again, shout out to Sunika Sneakers in Ohio. Definitely check them out. Definitely great peoples. And once again, this is my first unboxing video. So no, actually, it's not my first. It's my first unboxing video. This is my second collection video that I recently got in that I reviewed to you. The first pack I did was the Asics 1907 collection. I put a link of it up above so you can check it out. But once again, if you have any feedback on how I did my unboxing or anything, let me know, and we can definitely chop it up in the comment section. Hit the like button if you like this video. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. It takes nothing but a couple of seconds. If this is your first time checking out the channel, just comment down below. Let me know, how you like the video. All feedback is accepted. And if you went to any of these colleges, go ahead and comment that down below. Salute to you. Hopefully Adidas, if you ever watch this video, make a Northern Illinois University UltraBoost 1.0. And if you want to make a one-on-one and give it to me, I'd appreciate it. But if you want to do it and just sell it at our bookstore, I'll definitely get 2 or 3 pairs just to support. But I've done enough talking. Let me get out of y'all hairs. And lastly, peace.